Hello. We were working on our math and JK's. Let's just finish up yours before we go on to the SK's. We said that we had some butterflies and flowers. We had 9 pictures JK's. We had 5 butterflies and 4 flowers. Let's draw those quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if these were real butterflies, they'd be exactly the same on each side, wouldn't they? They would be symmetrical. So there's the 5 butterflies and 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it says 9. Let's see if we have 9 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 butterflies and 4 flowers equals 9. So our math sentence is 9, and we want to take away something. It says to take away 3 pictures. 9, take away 3. So let's take away 1 butterfly and 2 of the flowers. There, we've taken away 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Let's rub them out. Rub it out, 2 flowers and 1 butterfly. That's 3 of the pictures. Let's see how many pictures we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 pictures, take away 3 pictures equals 6 pictures. So JKs, you can go ahead and finish your addition and subtraction sheet. And SKs, you have an addition and subtraction sheet as well. Let's do a couple examples for you. So we have some fruit on this side of your page. At the top, you'll see 4 apples and 3 oranges. 4 apples. They're not working very well. Maybe this marker's getting old. There. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 apples and 3 oranges. I don't have an orange marker, so I'm just going to do them in black. 1, 2, 3. There's our oranges. So all together, how many pieces of fruit do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 pieces of fruit. So let's do our addition number bond first. There's our 3 squares. We're doing squares this time, and they're all connected. So what 2 different types of fruit do we have? 4 apples, so we're going to put a 4 here, and 3 oranges, a 3 here. So 4 plus 3. How many pieces of fruit do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now let's do a subtraction question with those pieces of fruit and numbers. So we're still going to have the same 3 numbers, 4, 3, and 7. But if we say, let's just move them around a little bit. 7, we'll put the 7 up here beside the 3. 7, take away 3. So take away the 3 oranges. We had 7 pieces of fruit. We took away the 3 oranges. How many pieces of fruit do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we could take away 1 orange and 2 apples. That's still 3 pieces of fruit. And how many pieces of fruit do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 apples, 2 oranges. So 7 take away 3 equals 4. SKs, you can go ahead and do both sides of your math page, practicing your subtraction and addition. And on this side of your page, you're not doing number bonds, but you can just cross out the things that you're subtracting. Let's do an example of that together. So our first one, we have hearts and circles. 2 hearts, 1, 2, and a circle. Happy face. And then 2 more hearts. And a happy face. And 2 more hearts. And what do you think will come next? This is a pattern, isn't it? And a happy face. When we have something repeating over and over again, what do we call it? A pattern. 2 hearts, a happy face. 2 hearts, a happy face. 2 hearts, a happy face. But then it ends up with only 1 heart. All right. So let's count. Our first question is 7 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. 7 hearts plus 3 happy faces. So 7 plus 3. How many pictures do we have all together? We know this is 7, so we'll start at 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. We're counting on from 7. And that equals 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. We hopped over 3. We were at 7 hearts, and we hopped over 3. 1, 2, 3. And that took us to 10. All right, let's do one subtraction question with the hearts and the happy faces. 10 take away 3. So we have 10 pictures all together, hearts and smiles all together. 7 plus 3 is 10, so we know we have 10. How many hearts? 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now, what if we did the opposite of that? 10 pictures. Take away the 3 hearts. So let's take them away. No more hearts. How many pictures do we have left? We said we had 7 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10. We had 10 pictures with the smiley faces and hearts. We took away the 3 smiley faces, and we have 7 hearts left. We didn't have to take away all the smiley faces, though. Let's do it a little differently. There's our 3 smiley faces. How many smiley faces should we take? Let's take 2 smiley faces away and 1 heart. We'll take this one away. So now how many pictures do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still 7. 6 hearts and 1 happy face. And that equals 7. So it's 10, take away 3 pictures, equals 7. You can go ahead and work on your addition and subtraction questions now, JKs and SKs, practicing them on your own. Alrighty. Now, that was a lot of work, and I know I need to stretch. Would you like to stand up and stretch too? Let's reach to the sky as high as you can. Up, 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 up. Wiggle your fingers down, 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 down. Hands on your hips. Twist, twist. Bend backwards. Ugh. Bend forwards. Deep breath in. Let it out. Let your body relax. In and out. Take a break if you need to. When you come back, it's story time. Our story today is The Grumpy Morning. We're talking about farms and farm animals this week. What farm animals do you see on the cover here? Do you see the goat? Where is he? He's sitting on top of the cow's head. Isn't that funny? Where's the chicken? On top of the horse's head. What else do you see? A goose? A dog? A pig? What are they doing? Are they friends? Or are they enemies? It says it's the grumpy morning. I wonder who's grumpy. Are you ever grumpy? I heard a cow begin to moo. I need to be milked, I really do. Moo. She mooed at the dog, who began to bark. It's time for breakfast. It's no longer dark. Woof, woof, woof. So the sounds are starting to happen in the barnyard. Animals are waking up, getting hungry. I heard a goat begin to bleat. Where are my oats? She stamped her feet. If you talk like that to your mom or dad in the morning, would they bring you your breakfast? If you stamped your feet and said, where's my breakfast? She stamped at the hog, who began to squeal. I'm waiting for slop. I'm due a meal. I heard a rabbit begin to thump. I want my pellets. I'll never grow plump. There she is sitting on top of the tractor, asking for her food. Here's all the animals complaining, saying, I'm hungry. He thumped at the horse, who began to neigh. Nay, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for hay. I heard a duck begin to quack. What's going on? I must have my snap. Do you hear those rhyming words? They have the same endings. She quacked at the cat, who began to meow. Meow, meow. I'd like a cuddle. I'd like it now. Well, she wants a cuddle. She's not so interested in food, but she wants a cuddle. I heard a hen begin to cluck. My grain is late. That's just my luck. Cluck, luck. Hear uck at the end? Well, now we've got all kinds of noises in the barnyard. They're each saying their own thing. Nay. Who says nah? The goat? Moo. Woof. Quack. Oink. Meow. Thump. Thump. Neigh. Cluck. All kinds of barnyard noises. And do you see that beautiful garden there? What kind of vegetables are growing? I see some cabbage. I see maybe some carrots, some cauliflower. It looks like a healthy garden. I saw a moth land on the nose of the sleepy farmer, still in a doze. She opened an eye and said with a cry, Is that the time? Oh my, oh my. I think maybe the farmer slept in. There she is. All the animals are on her bed. Uh-oh. What's on her head? Can you see the head? Good morning, cow. Good morning, dog. Good morning, goat. Good morning, hog. She's giving them cuddles and she's being friendly, even though they were being kind of grumpy. Did your mom give you a hug in the morning, or your dad? Good morning, rabbit. Good morning, horse. And duck and cat and owl, of course. Such a happy morning, isn't it, hen? Well, I think the farmer has a very happy attitude this morning. Just because someone else is grumpy, does that mean we have to be grumpy? Sometimes we can help them feel happy if we're using a happy voice to them. Then she fed them and she milked them. That's a lot of work. And loved us, all 10. She takes good care of her animals. And who wants to sleep now? It's daytime, the farmer's awake, the animals are awake, but who wants to sleep? Maya is asleep now? That's the owl, right? Why does the owl want to sleep during the day? Because she's nocturnal. Well, I think the farmyard is a very busy place and farmers work very hard. And so do your mom and dad, so you remember to thank them for the food and the hugs they give you every day. And let's also remember that when we're grumpy, we don't have to stay grumpy. We can change our attitude and choose to use friendly words. We love it when other people are friendly to us. Well, I hope you have a cheerful afternoon, and we'll meet back together tomorrow morning. Bye.